Welcome to the Einstar Vega tutorials, how to scan objects composed of two high contrast colors. We can see that this panda model is mainly composed of black and white, with different parts exhibiting strong contrast. We recommend starting with the brighter areas when setting the exposure. Adjust the camera exposure by clicking the upper and the lower windows until a reddish area appears. If you need to capture texture, enable a quiet texture and adjust the texture exposure to a proper level. You can view the color in the preview window to ensure it matches the object's actual color. When scanning, adjusting the exposure is crucial for optimal data quality. For black surfaces, increase the exposure to capture sufficient data. When returning to the white areas, remember to lower the exposure. Overexposure can lead to tracking loss and increase the noises in the data. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us if you find this helpful. See you in next video.